This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out a new polygel kit. I was on Amazon and I'm always looking for new things to try out, and I saw this kit. The price was a little too good to be true, so I was like, let me try it out. So this is the ToBeGlam Take Me Home Polygel Kit. I just want to see what this kit is all about, so let's get to it. Everything is packed nice and well. That is what I love when it comes to these type of kits. And the top says, "Hello, gorgeous." That is so cute. All right, so let me just take everything out and we'll see what this all comes with. So this is everything that this kit came with, and it also comes with this little booklet, and I'm guessing this has the instructions. Yes, it says, "Hello, gorgeous." Thank you. You know, this kit just complimenting the girl. You know, I feel special. This tells you some notes and how to use the kit. Oh, that's cute. I like that picture. So if you need help with your polygel nails, definitely read these instructions. But I kind of know how to do all this, so I'm just gonna walk y'all through it. So in this kit, you get 6 tubes of polygel, and these are 15 grams each. Gel base and top coat, a nail file, a nail picker tool that has the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. You get a case of dual forms, and these include 2 types of dual forms. You have the stiletto, and then you have the straighter, the usual ones that come in the polygel kits. I typically don't like to use the dual forms because since they are kind of pre-shaped, it's kind of hard to get that cuticle area perfect, but I digress. And finally, you get a nail lamp. Now this is a big deal, especially if this is your first nail kit and you don't have any other type of nail products at home. You're gonna need a nail lamp to cure the polygel. So this is just one of those mini nail lamps. Ooh, it's pink. It's big. It's a little bigger than the usual ones. And then this is the USB. Let me go ahead and plug this up so you guys can see. Well, so I can see if it works and how it works. All right, so I plugged it up. I'm just gonna hit this button here. Oh, okay. Yep, that is pretty bright. So yeah, you got you a lamp that comes with it. And like I was saying, this is a big deal. You need a nail lamp to cure all type of gel and polygel. You just need one. All right, so let's get to these swatches. So this color is You're My Queen, Pretty Much, Just in Pink, Oh She Pretty, Sweet Talk, and Pure. And here are the colors side by side. They are so pretty. I don't even know which one I want to use. I want to use all of them. So while I decide on which colors I'm going to use in this kit, I'm just going to go ahead and do my prep. Oh, I know, my nails look awful. It's just all type of mess, but we're going to get it together. So first things first, I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles. And then I'm gonna take the opposite end and just scrape up any of that dead skin on the nail plate. And I have some leftover peel off base coat and base coat in general. So I'm just gonna take the 180 side of this file and just lightly file my nail, very lightly. I'm not putting any pressure on it. It's not rough. I just want to file off the rest of the base coat residue. I'm gonna go ahead and clip off the excess length because I don't like for that to show under my nails. And this nail clipper is the cutest thing. This is from Christine Hello Taco. All right, so after doing that, I'm just gonna further file the edges just to make sure there aren't any sharp, you know, just to smooth everything out. Just makes it easier. Alright, so like I said, I wasn't going to use the dual forms that came with this kit because I want my cuticles to look like really good. So I'm going to use tips. So after picking out all of my nail tip sizes, I'm going to go ahead and use the Young Nails brush on nail glue. A lot of people ask me what's my favorite nail glue. I don't really have a favorite, but for right now, it's this Young Nails. This stuff almost works a little too well. It's like super glue, honestly. But I just put a little bit on the tip, have my nail straight so I can make sure that I'm putting it on straight. Do that for the rest of the nails. So I'm just gonna trim them down just a little bit because I wanna rock some long nails. I'll say it's about right there. Ba, do. All right, and I just like to make sure that you can't really feel where the tip starts. So just gonna smooth that out a little bit. And then I also take the shine away from the nail tip. And this just gives the polygel something to hold on to. This is just an extra precaution so the polygel will stay. All right, so after getting those tips filed and shaped, I'm gonna go ahead and put the base coat on. But first, I'm gonna go in with some primer. The base coat sometimes is enough to keep the polygel nails on, but for me, I'm just gonna go in and just put a little bit of primer on just to make sure, because I kind of want these nails to last. This is a new primer I'm trying out, so we'll see how this works. It's a little different than what I'm used to. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the base coat. And if you get some on your skin, just make sure to wipe that off before you cure. And I'm gonna cure under here for 60 seconds. So for my slip solution, I'm using 91% alcohol. You can use whatever alcohol you have. You know, it all works. Some people use gel-based coat, but I don't really like to use that. To me, it kind of just makes the polygel all slimy and soupy. So I prefer the alcohol. And you just need a little bit as you're working with it, but I'm just gonna pour some of that into my dampen dish. And I finally decided what color I wanted to use. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and match my outfit and makeup, and I'm gonna go with the purple, the Oh She Pretty color. And I'm just gonna do this on all of the nails. Squeeze this out like toothpaste. Oh, it pops at you. And we're just gonna tap this in place. I like to get that cuticle nice and flush first, and then I move on to the rest of the nail. I'm always a little hesitant when I'm working with like a new brand of polygel because it's like, I don't know what this stuff gonna do. I am pleasantly surprised. My brush is not sticking to it. I cannot stand sticky polygel, like it gets everywhere. And I want y'all to see how I'm dipping my brush. So I wipe my brush off every so often, dip it into the alcohol, and then I lightly tap off the excess. That is how I am controlling the polygel. It does take a little practice to know how much polygel to put on the nail. I've been doing this a while, so I kind of can feel it, but sometimes I get it wrong. If your nail is too thin, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and spread it the best that you can, cure it, and then you can put a second layer on. But I'm impatient, so I like to do it all in one go. Ooh, this shimmer is so pretty. So yeah, don't be afraid to, you know, use your angles, like move your finger around to where you can see like down the barrel of it like that. Just get it right. Like that's what I really like about this polygel stuff is you can pat this for as long as you need to and it will not harden or cure until you put it into the nail lamp. So it gives you a lot of time, a lot of play time. And yes, y'all get to see a little peek of how I work. I try to film as much as I can, hands down, but Yes, I perfect everything with my nail close to my face. So once I like the shape of that, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. You could do each nail if you want, but I don't like to do that because I'm clumsy and I will hit this nail and be mad. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And I'm just gonna do that for all of the nails. All right, so this is what the nails are looking like. And that color is so pretty. It's like purple, but it has like pink shimmers in it. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these off with some alcohol. They're really sticky and I cannot stand gel and the stickiness. So I'm just gonna wipe this off. This is also very important because when you get to shaping and filing, you don't want that sticky layer of gel to get stuck in your nail file. It'll just make everything way worse. Just gonna go ahead and take the hand file and just crispen everything up. And just smooth out the surface. So this set doesn't come with a buffer, but you want to make sure to buff the nails so they can be smooth when you put your nail polish or your top coat on. If you don't buff them, you may see scratches when you put on your nail polish, and that's a no-no. So for the nail design, I also picked up some of the nail foil kits from ToBeGlam. This one is the leopard. All right, these are cute. So yeah, we have these leopard patterns. And then there's also the flowers. And I think I'm leaning more towards the flowers. I can't decide. I think I might go with this one. That one's cute too. I don't know. First things first, I'm gonna do a white French tip on all of these nails. And I'm gonna do that using the Kiara Sky Gel Art paint. And this is white canvas. All right, so I'm gonna stop there. I like how that looks. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of the nails. All right, so I got all of my French tips done, and that is how they're looking. So cute and elegant. So I decided I am gonna do the foils. Okay, so I'm only gonna do them on the ring finger and the index finger. So it's gonna be something like, I don't know, I'll decide in a minute. All right, so let me cut off a little piece of this. This is the transfer gel. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay, I was hoping I didn't have to use my teeth. All right, so I'm just gonna apply it all on the nail. And it's said to do a thin layer. All right, and I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, I think I cut these. I ain't cut them right. I ain't cut them the way I wanted to lay. Cut a little longer piece. I suck at foils, y'all. I hope this comes out right. I used to have a little rubber silicone thing. I don't know where it is, but that would have worked really well with this. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and press this down. Okay, not too bad, I guess. It gives it like a vintage look. Let's see how this one turned out. Ooh, that's cute. All right, so of course my nails will not be complete without some bling. And I'm just gonna put it on the middle finger here. So Gonna use the usual bling gel, and I'm just gonna apply it where I'm applying the crystals, which is only in the center. And these crystals are from my nail crystal kit. If you didn't see my last video, go ahead and check that out. I told y'all all about them. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below. I think I finally got that placement the way I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. All right, so finally, I'm just gonna apply the gel top coat to all of the nails, except for the middle finger. And I'm gonna do my final cure for 60 seconds. Ooh, those are looking cute. So now I am just gonna apply my cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. I am loving this purple shimmer. It's almost like a nail polish in itself. Like, oh, that is just gorgeous. I'm loving how these turned out. So cute. So yes, I am loving this polygel kit. It's a really good value. I think on Amazon, if you get it now, it was like $35. So that is a steal because some companies are charging a lot of money for polygel kits, especially the ones that come with a nail lamp. So yeah, I will leave links to everything that I use down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.